Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Hilda, so grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, I'm going to start with the eyes. So we're going to draw 2 oval eyes. They don't have to be exactly the same, but keep them roughly about the same shape. One bigger and one smaller. And now it's time for the pupils. So I'm going to do it differently today. I'm just going to draw 2 ovals. And inside those ovals, I'm going to make light reflections. And let's fill the pupils in. Now let's draw the little nose. So we're going to draw a pointy nose between the eyes. And just underneath the nose, we're going to draw a little smile off to the side. Now from the top, we're going to draw a hair. First up, I'm just going to draw a piece of hair going over her eyes. And now we're going to draw the fringe off to the side. And we're going to start here, we're going to go over the other eye. And we're just going to draw a little fringe down. On this side, we're going to start with her hair and just bring her hair down. And just a side bend like this. So now we're going to draw the ear. I'm going to start here. Draw a little ear, and we'll draw a little inner ear on this side. And now we're going to draw the chin. We start up here, the jawline, the chin, the cheek, and connect it back to the eyes. And on the other side, we're going to draw a smaller ear with a little inside ear there as well. Now we're going to draw the top of the hair. Right here, I'm going to start, and I'm just going to make it nice and round. And then we'll connect it to the ear. And on this side, a smaller curve connected to the ear as well. Now right on top there's a little hat. It looks like an artist hat, so let's do this. And then on this side you can start on the top and make it nice and round. And then just a little stem sticking out there as well. Next up, we're going to draw a scarf. Underneath the chin, I'm going to make a line down, and on this side, I'm going to do it again, but just a little bit shorter, a bit different. And then at the bottom, just with a curve, you're going to connect it. I'm going to draw a line through it, and we're going to divide it by 3. There we go. Now it's time for the rest of the scarf around the neck. And we'll just do it on this side as well. Now that we're finished with that, we can start with the arms. On this side, I'm just going to draw a little arm out. And I'm going to bring it back, a little sleeve. And then we're just going to make a little line through it there as well. Now on this side, we're going to start here at the bottom, and we're going to draw our body first, like this. And we're going to make another little crease there. And now we can go from here, and we're going to draw the sleeve again. And on this side, you're going to draw a line down, you're going to connect it, and you're going to just make a line there through it as well. And now on this side, we can actually start and we can finish our body. There we go. Now since we have the 2 arms, we can complete her hair. And on this side, I'm just going to complete her hair on both sides. There we go. Now it's time for her hands. So I'm going to draw a little thumb, and then you're going to draw 3 fingers. There we go. On this side, a thumb, and then 1, 2, 3 fingers as well, and connect it. And now it's time for a dress. I'm going to make a curvy line down, and here I'm going to make a shorter line, a longer and a shorter line. And now you can connect these 2. And since we did that, now we can draw her legs. So I'm going to draw her legs a bit different from the cartoon. I'm going to give it a bit of a shape. I'm going to bring these 2 closer together. I'm going to make a little line there. Now I'm going to take it back. I'm going to start wide on top and bring it in narrow. And on this side, wide on top, and I'm going to bring it in as well. So now we're going to draw this foot first, this shoe. I'm going to start here, I'm going to draw a little line out, I'm going to start there, and I'm going to draw it shorter. And now from here, I'm going to make it nice and round at the bottom, bring it up with a point, and bring it over. And there's a shoe. Now this shoe is behind this shoe, so I'm going to draw the little mark there, and then we're going to draw the shoe as well. There we go. And there's two shoes. Now right above, Hilda has eyebrows, so I'm going to draw a little eyebrow here, and on this side I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to draw another one there. And there's Hilda. So you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.